Hello all. So next we will check how to use pointers to access arrays. So in C, the name of an array is actually a pointer to the first element of an array. We can check with one example. Suppose we have one integer array, numbers, that will contain numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Suppose we are printing the address of first element. So we can run address percentage P, put new line, comma, first element of the array. So we can turn numbers of 0, right? Okay. And the memory address of the first element is same as the name of the array. Okay. So we can copy this. We can use name of the array, like numbers. So we will run this. See, we are getting the same address. Okay. So the memory address of first element is same as the name of the array. Okay. Suppose we have a pointer P that contains address of this array. So this will point to the first element, right? Now we are just in this. That means P contains address of numbers of 0, right? P contains address of first element. So we will run this. See, we are getting the same result. So we want to get the next element. We want to get 10. Then how we can do? So we can tell P is equal to P plus 1. See, the normal the address is 10. See, it is incremented by 4. Now it is getting 1 4. Now I want to get the value of that element. So here we can tell value. We can tell percentage D. How we will get value? Star P, right? So we'll tell star P. We'll run this. See, this is the address and we are getting the value of 10 now. We are getting the second element. So by this way we can move to the next elements of this array. Okay. Suppose we want to loop through all elements and to display the elements. So here we can use for int I equal to 0, I less than 5, right? I plus plus. Then we can print f percentage D. We can tell slash T, comma. The first value is P, right? So we need to increment. So we can use star P plus every time this loop will we can increment, right? P plus I can put it in bracket. Now we will run. See, we are getting the values of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. So suppose we are changing the values. P is equal to, we are telling P plus 2. That means it will jump to P here, A of 0, right? Numbers of 0. Plus 2 means 1, 2, right? So it will print 15. See, we are just telling P only. Sorry, star P. Okay. See, we are getting 50. We can change the value, right? We are telling star P is equal to, how to change? We can use dereferencing operator, right? Star P is equal to, we are telling 50. When we will run, see, the value 15 changed to 50. Okay, thanks for watching.